Hey guys, Chris here with CGM Auto Brokers, and I've got another awesome one today. I've got a 2019 Highland Ridge Open Range 3X Series. This is a model 3X 387 RBS. This thing is 41.5 feet long, not one, but two awnings in very good condition. It's got an onboard generator. It has got self-leveling on it, guys. It's got 5 slide outs. That's right, 5. It's got 2 entrances. Paint and body's in excellent condition. Outdoor speakers, guys. Roof access, ready for a backup camera. Tow package, 50 amp service. Check this thing out. Plenty of storage inside and out. Let's get inside. Check these awnings out. Excellent condition. No rips, no tears, guys. Let's get inside and let's check this out. So let's go to the right over here. I swear, this is just as nice as a house. We've got a fireplace. We've got a flat screen television. Surround sound. We've got some nice storage all the way around. This sofa turns into a sleeper. We've got some recliners over here. Another sleeper sofa in the slide. We've got a power roof vent, guys. This fan is nice. We've got beautiful flooring. Dinette over here. Hi, horsey. Check out the kitchen. Stainless steel sink. Residential stainless steel refrigerator. Check out this oven, guys. 3-burner stove, stainless steel microwave, another fan in here as well. More storage, plenty of counter space and storage. Guys, don't be intimidated. This thing is easy to use. Check this out. This is amazing. A half bat in the living area, guys, with a sink. All right. We're going to slide out over here. We got a nice pantry closet. And then our control board right here. Look how easy, guys. Everything's labeled, ready to rock and roll. Then, master bedroom. Blackout curtains, flat screen television, second AC unit. Look at that king-size bed, guys. Massive, massive. Privacy sliding doors over here. Glass enclosed shower. I swear, it might be bigger than my shower at home. More storage. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Sliding closet. It's locked. Try to do this with one hand. There we go. And this side here. There we go. And an extra chair. And washer and dryer hookups as well, guys. Lighting in the closet as well. Ready to rock and roll. Hey, if you guys are interested in this, my name is Chris with CGM Auto Brokers. Don't miss out on this one, guys. We do offer financing. We also offer transport and delivery. My name is Chris. I could be reached at 704-620-8388, 704-620-8388. Visit us online, www.cgmautobrokers.com. We are located at 4708 West Highway 74 in Monroe, North Carolina, 28110. Hey, if you guys like this video, do me a favor, like and subscribe. Send it to your friends and family that might be in the market. All right? And most importantly, guys, Jesus loves you. Thanks for watching. God bless.